My project is the effect temperature has on the density of water. This research project was done to show by lowering the temperature of water how the density changes over time. The issue is relevant because it is important to know how the density of water changes with the lowering of temperatures. This knowledge can be then applied in the real world to climate changes. As you find that ice is less dense in water, you can then use that knowledge to determine why icebergs float. Previous studies show that water does not have an absolute density because its density varies with temperature. Water has a maximum density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter at 4 degrees Celsius. When the temperature changes from either greater or less than 4 degrees, the density will become less than 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Water has a maximum density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter only when it's at pure water. When water changes from liquid to a solid, the density decreases by about 9%, which is unusual among chemical compounds, and this leads to the reason why ice floats in liquid water. The question I want to answer is what effect temperature has on the density of water. As the temperature drops, the density of the water should drop. The equipment used in this experiment was a thermometer to measure temperature, an electron scale to measure mass, a graduated cylinder to measure the volume, and a freezer to lower the temperature of the water. The independent variable is the temperature in degrees Celsius of the water. By putting the water in the freezer for various amounts of time, this allowed the water to ended up freezing the water. What I discovered is that ice is less dense than water because of a special bonding, hydrogen bonding. The density of water starts to change at 0 degrees Celsius and drops once water freezes, turning into ice. It can be explained that the ice floats because of hydrogen bonding. The molecules form a crystal through hydrogen bonding that makes the molecules farther apart when they were a liquid. This makes ice less dense, allowing the water to float.